Alam na po ba ni Director Matibag na sasalang po siya sa Tuesday at saka kumbaga magko-conflict po siya dun sa schedule niya sa Bangkok, Thailand para sa regional summit?
We have discussed this with our public prosecutor, our lead public prosecutor, Kong Jinky, has discussed this with us and with Attorney Director Matibag, and he is ready. He is ready. Ready pa nga siya today, this week, pwedeng Monday, pwedeng Tuesday, no? Hindi po narinig naman natin yung mga pronouncements sa House, no? Sa Senate, I'm sorry, where it was expressed that the impeachment must be given paramount importance compared to all of those conferences. Naintindihan po naman ni Director Matibag, it was just a function of scheduling. It was not that he refused to go. It was just a matter of scheduling. Kasi importante rin yun, yung conference na yun, no? Sa international conference, kung saan ipapakita sa conference na yun. I think it had to do with terrorism, cybercrime, I'm not sure, no? But we are still a republic that follows the rule of law. Our NBI, our justice system, our prosecutorial enforcement system is alive and well, no? Kasi yung naririnig nila sa mga newspapers, ang daming nangyayari dito, no? Baka sabihin na nila third world underdeveloped country tayo, na law of the jungle tayo. Hindi naman po. And that, I think, was the importance of that conference, to show that all is well here. There is rule of law here. And even, I don't want to answer, I'm not the spokesperson of Director Matibag, but short answer to your question, yes, he will be here on Tuesday.
Okay.